just to understand and get this discourse going, the BJP says this was about civic rules and residential sensitivities, which is why the operative portion of this discourse, I don't even want to call it a debate, discourse is about shared urban spaces and whether the communities have the wherewithal to really, tackle these, issues at large. Then we talk about political mobilization. We saw slogan shouting. We saw the piglet that came to light as well. I mean, it was a complete, drama that unfolded right outside Poonam cluster. If the goats were eventually shifted through administrative intervention, does that or doesn't that prove that the issue could have been handled without this kind of escalation? Let's forget the word communal for a second.
Absolutely. Kabir, good evening, and it's always good to be back on your show. Let's separate emotion from law for a minute and let's focus on the fact that India is a secular country. Everybody has a right to celebrate. Religious freedom is given to us under Article 25, but even Article 25 is subject to public order,
Yep.
health, civic regulation. And why do we forget that? Now, imagine a scenario where 40 to 50 animals have been got into a residential space, a cramped urban residential space. Temporary sheds have been erected in common areas. Blood waste has been created, animal waste, smell, slaughter activities going on, and this is a place where children play. Senior citizens walk around. Hundreds of families live, and some of these families are, forget about being vegetarian, they're even Jains. So their religious thoughts and their religious rules are entirely different, entirely opposite. And a point to remember here is that Mumbai High Court and even a lot of states, Delhi included, Maharashtra included, have framed guidelines. And these guidelines say that there are licensed slaughterhouses, there are designated civic spots where slaughter can go on, but it cannot happen in residential compounds like the way the people in Mira Road tried to do it. And this is all legal. And one more point, and I want to say this with utmost responsibility: housing societies in our country are regulating noise, regulating pets,
Yeah.
regulating use of common spaces, garbage disposal, the way public nuisance is handled, noise, all of that. So, why are they not allowed to regulate a situation where there is going to be slaughter, there is going to be a smell which most people are not used to? The hypocrisy is shocking. It is absolutely shocking. So, if you're protesting, you become communal. But if you carry out illegal activities, then that is your birthright. I do not understand this and I do not stand for this at all.